Terrui 38 inches industrial fan. Induction motor and PMSM motor are available. Both fans are made of polyethylene frames. It can provide better durability and corrosion resistance. Stainless steel fan blade has higher corrosion resistance and better air discharge effect. Original DC motor has simple structure and low air volume, and PMSM motor has a large air volume, low energy consumption, high efficiency and long life. High efficiency can also be maintained under partial load. PMSM can also be incorporated into the Internet of Things system. The Internet of Things system can realize the remote control, diagnosis and maintenance of fans.